Ready? Okay. So a valley fold. It doesn't have to match up perfectly. This is a valley fold, remember? And then that, make an X, flip it over, come back this way. So we have a mountain fold and your valley folds. Push in the middle, bring these together, and that makes your double triangle with the arrow pointing away from you. Bring this up, like so. They should relatively be squares. You see a lot of systems of squares and triangles. Flip it over. Do it again, as they say in origami a lot. Flip it over, do it again. Go. So then, this you may have to help the kids with, is to get that point in the middle. This should line up in a straight line. Once you do that first fold, they can get the rest because they can knead it. Flip it over. They can use this edge to help guide them, like so. Okay. Again, squares, rectangles, triangles. Bring this over. So, not the bottom part, where there are no flaps, there's just the hole, but the top part where all the flaps are. Bring this one down, fold it back in half, and that is going to get tucked into there. Slide it in, fold this over, in there, turn it over, do it again. Nguyen, could you get me scissors? Here we go. Oops, sorry, got distracted. Bring this back. Tuck it in. Now if I were to blow this up through this hole right now, it would become a football shape, as you remember from the training. So we want it to be a box shape. And this is where I can't find any instructions online to do it this way. So I'm doing this video so that we have that last step. And if you fold it this way, kind of really get good creases. We're just opening and closing it and flipping it around so that we get that box. This is the one you may have to help the kids with because there's so many levels, so many layers of paper that it becomes very thick. So we can open it up, kind of flip it around that way, and do it again. And this is just so that when we blow into it, it'll really pop into that box. Then the last step is where the hole is, not where it's closed, but where the hole is, we want to cut that straight across. And then if the camera could follow all the way up here, when you're blowing into it, dry mouth and push on this to make that box, and we cut the end so that we have that viewing hole. Okay? So when you're collapsing it, push right here, here, on these corners. Okay? And then you'll have the kids open it back up, and when they do, it's by pulling these out, reversing it, opening it up, turn it over. What I like to say is pulling the keys out of the locks. Carefully opening it up. And there we see our plus sign again, right? Remember from drawing on that, the ground, the sky, the right, the left, okay? And whatever's in front of us. All right, that's it.